Stop tossing those fruit seeds. You're throwing away free plants. Here's how to grow strawberries, lemons, oranges, and blueberries right from your kitchen. First up, strawberries. Scoop out some seeds from the outside of a ripe strawberry, dry them on a paper towel, then sprinkle onto moist soil. Keep the soil damp, and in about 2 weeks, you'll see tiny leaves peeking out. Next, lemons and oranges. Remove the seeds, rinse off any fruit bits, and plant them pointy end down in a small pot of soil. Cover lightly, mist with water, and keep them warm and sunny. Citrus seeds sprout in 2 to 4 weeks. Just be patient. Blueberries are a bit trickier. Mash a few berries, mix the pulp into damp peat moss, then pop it in the fridge for a month. This chilling wakes the seeds up. After that, plant them in acidic soil, keep moist, and soon you'll have baby blueberry plants. Why bother? Homegrown fruit is fresher, tastier, and, let's be real, way more satisfying than anything from the store. Plus, you control what goes into your food, and kids love watching seeds turn into snacks. So the next time you eat fruit, save those seeds. With a little patience, your kitchen leftovers could be your garden's next superstar. Try it out and let your garden and your taste buds grow.